Step 1. Cleansing. Void your routine with a gentle cleanser like CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser or La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel to remove dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping the skin. Step 2. Exfoliation. Incorporate a salicylic acid toner such as Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2%. Ball liquid exfoliant or the ordinary salicylic acid 2% solution to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. Step 3. Hydration. Hydrate your skin with a serum like Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum or Caudalie Vinasource S.O.'s thirst-quenching serum to replenish moisture and soothe irritation. Step 4. Spot treatment. For targeted treatment of active breakouts, use a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment such as La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Dual Action Acne Treatment or Clean and Clear Persagel 10. Step 5. Moisturizing. Follow up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer like Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion or Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisture for sensitive skin to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Step 6. Sun protection. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, such as Eltammed UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 or La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt and Milk Sunscreen SPF 100. Step 7. Weekly masking. Treat your skin to a clarifying clay mask like Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay or Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask once a week to draw out impurities and refine pores. Step 8. Nourishment. Nourish your skin with a facial oil rich in antioxidants and vitamins, such as the ordinary 100% organic cold-pressed rose hip seed oil or Sunday Riley U.F.O. Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. Step 9. Refreshing mist. Keep your skin refreshed throughout the day with a calming face mist like Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs and Rose Water or Evian Natural Mineral Water Facial Spray. Step 10. Lip care. Don't forget to hydrate your lips with a nourishing lip balm, such as Aquaphor Lip Repair or Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm to prevent dryness and chapping. Follow these 10 steps consistently, using the recommended products, and say hello to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Remember, patience and consistency are key on the journey to acne-free skin. Thanks for watching.